Let me give you 5 ways you can actually create passive income, right? So way number one, create social media platforms around something that you enjoy, something that you like, or something that you have interest into it. A lot of those platforms start paying: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Facebook pay for Reels, Instagram pay for Reels. YouTube, you can monetize with YouTube AdSense. So create a following, get the people around there so that you can create passive income. All right, the second way, go ahead and create a content course on how to do something specific. If you have results, something that you know people want, create a course that is very specific, that solves that problem, and then you can sell it to them. Okay, another way to create passive income is go out there and create a specific coaching program based on what you know people want help with, and you can coach them, and that can create passive income for you. Next way is to create a tool. If you know specific ways on how to create a tool, or you can outsource it to somebody else. If you have a tool that can solve a problem for some people, right, go ahead and create a tool so that they can put some machine inside of the business. That's another passive income stream that you can create. Next way, go ahead and leverage a white label of products. Find something that people love, go out there, white label it, and they can buy it from you whenever they need it. So that's 5 ways you can actually create passive income.